Welcome back, tech enthusiasts! Today we're exploring the TP-Link Tapo A200, a 4.5W solar panel designed to power your rechargeable battery security camera. It's waterproof, energy efficient, and comes with a 360-degree adjustable mounting bracket. Let's see how it transforms outdoor surveillance into a hassle-free experience. One of the biggest challenges of outdoor security cameras is keeping them powered. Batteries run out quickly and wiring can be a nightmare, especially in hard-to-reach areas. Constant recharging or complicated setups often leave homeowners frustrated. That's why the idea of a solar-powered solution is so appealing. But can the TP-Link Tapo A200 deliver reliable power even in tough weather conditions? Let's find out. Here's how the TP-Link Tapo A200 solves these issues. 1. Easy installation. The 360-degree adjustable mounting bracket makes positioning the solar panel simple. Just align it with maximum sunlight exposure and you're good to go. 2. Weatherproof design. With an IP65 waterproof rating, it's built to withstand rain, dust, and other outdoor elements. 3. Seamless integration. The Tapo A200 pairs effortlessly with compatible cameras, keeping them charged without any interruptions. During setup, I appreciated how straightforward it was to connect the panel to my wireless camera. No drilling, no wiring mess, just plug it in and it's ready. Now, the real test. Let's see it in action. With the camera installed and powered by the solar panel, I ran a few tests: daytime recordings, motion detection at night, and live feeds during cloudy weather. The results? The panel kept the camera fully charged and operational without a single hiccup. Even after hours of recording, the battery stayed topped up. This setup is a game changer for anyone looking for reliable outdoor security without the hassle. In summary, the TP-Link Tapo A200 makes solar-powered security simple and effective, with its durable design, easy installation, and reliable performance.